Toxic people need guys like you to feed off of. Letting someone down or telling someone no doesn't have anything to do with you.
Wake up!
Love, lift, life. We touch into your mind, body, and soul.
This is a Homage beat.
What up, what up, what up, my people? Dreamwise here for another one. Energy vampires. There are vampires out there. People that want to suck and take your energy to give themselves a boost. They don't consciously know they're doing it, but they're taking the lively life out of you by coming around, slowing down your progress, bringing in low vibrational energy, gossiping. These automatons are coming for your energy, and they know you have a vital amount of it that they can take and use for powering up their day. They see something in you, unconsciously of course, and they want whatever you have. It is vital and important that you protect your energy at all costs. The power of no. Saying no is a must on this adventure. Letting people down is vital in your plight, especially if you know, and you do know, the situation is going to be toxic. Toxic people need guys like you to feed off of. Letting someone down or telling someone no doesn't have anything to do with you. That's something in them. Get the books, the 4 agreements. You, your own universe. So if you can see them, that means they have their own universe. Don't worry about people. You must get into yourself and find the peace and love within you. Keeping your vibes high and not letting these energy vampires drain you for free. Hell, even if you're charging them, some situations just ain't worth that current exchange. Look around you. Look around you. Look around you. Watch who is not reciprocating the energy. Even in communing with you, we should have an equal exchange of energy flow. Giving and receiving. Receiving and giving. Remember, your true currency is energy, and you are in control of that. Watch your back. Dream wise.